Over 60? 9 drinks to repair nerve damage in your legs naturally. If you've been dealing with leg pain, tingling, numbness, or even weak muscles in your legs, you know just how limiting it can be. Nerve and muscle problems in the legs often happen when signals between the brain and lower body get disrupted. This may come from things like diabetes, poor circulation, injuries, or simply years of wear and tear. The result? Achy, cramping legs that make walking, standing, or even resting at night much harder. But here's the encouraging news. While medical treatment is important, there are also natural ways to strengthen your legs and help your nerves recover. Many people over 60 are already turning to food and drinks as powerful allies. Just think of Morgan Freeman, who faced nerve pain after an accident. He found relief not only through treatments, but also by leaning on natural remedies like chamomile tea, which helped calm his nerves and ease discomfort. Simple, natural, and surprisingly effective that can help repair nerve and muscle function in your legs while boosting overall leg health. These beverages are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that work together to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and support regeneration in your lower body. Whether you want to ease leg cramps and numbness or simply keep your legs strong and steady as you age, this video is for you. So grab a seat, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip. Let's dive into these 9 powerful drinks that could help you walk with more comfort and strength. Stay tuned. Have you ever wondered why after turning 60, every night feels like running a marathon you can never finish? You finally drift off to sleep and then, bam, it's 2:00 a.m. Your eyes pop open and the rest of the night is just tossing and turning. Before bed, you had a simple glass of water, something you thought was healthy, but it didn't relax you. It didn't signal your brain that it's time to rest. In fact, it may have triggered your bladder to wake you up just as your deep sleep was getting started. The truth is, to sleep through the night and wake up with a clear mind and light, steady steps, your body needs more than plain water. It needs specific nutrients: magnesium to relax your muscles, glycine to steady your brain waves, tryptophan to convert into melatonin, the sleep hormone, along with 2 powerful allies. Most people struggling with sleep have never considered alanine to naturally calm the mind and melatonin itself to reset an aging body's internal clock. Simply replacing that glass of water with the right kind of drink rich in these nutrients could help you fall asleep faster, sleep deeply through the night, and feel a difference as soon as tomorrow morning. In just a moment, I'll share 5 bedtime drinks that science shows can help people over 60 sleep more deeply and wake up less often. And the #1 drink on the list also helps rebuild muscle, boost collagen, and give you that steady, youthful step: warm golden milk. The first drink is warm golden milk. Golden milk is a traditional bedtime drink made with warm milk and turmeric. Modern science now confirms what ancient traditions knew. Warm milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin and then into melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain it's time to sleep. Turmeric adds curcumin, a compound that not only calms inflammation, but also supports brain health and muscle recovery. Studies show that older adults who consume curcumin regularly experience better memory, reduced joint pain, and deeper sleep. The warmth of the milk also raises your core temperature slightly, which helps trigger a natural cooling response in your body, signaling it's time to rest. To make it, simply warm up a cup of milk, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption, and a touch of honey if you like. Drink it about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Not only will it help you fall asleep, but it also supports your joints, muscles, and even your digestion overnight. Drink 2, chamomile and glycine tea. The second drink is chamomile and glycine tea. Chamomile is one of the most well-studied herbal teas for sleep. It contains apigenin, a compound that binds to receptors in your brain that reduce anxiety and initiate sleep. Multiple clinical trials show that older adults who drink chamomile tea before bed fall asleep faster, and wake up less often during the night. But chamomile alone may not be enough. That's where glycine comes in. Glycine is an amino acid that lowers your core body temperature slightly and steadies brain waves, both of which help deepen sleep cycles. In one study, people who took glycine before bed reported better sleep quality and less fatigue the next day. You can make this by brewing a strong cup of chamomile tea and adding 3 grams of glycine powder, which dissolves easily and has a mildly sweet taste. This simple combination works on both your brain and body, helping you relax fully so you can drift into deeper, more restorative sleep. Drink 3. Tart cherry juice. The third drink is tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin. Drinking tart cherry juice before bed has been shown in studies to increase sleep time by up to 85 minutes. It also reduces the number of times you wake up during the night. Tart cherries are also rich in antioxidants and anti-insulin compounds that help reduce joint pain and muscle soreness. For seniors who often wake up stiff or sore, this can be a game changer. Just 4 ounces of tart cherry juice mixed with a little warm water can be enough to support both better sleep and smoother movement in the morning. Drink 4. Lemon balm and magnesium tea. The fourth drink is lemon balm and magnesium tea. Lemon balm is an herb in the mint family that has been used for centuries to reduce stress and improve sleep. Modern research shows that lemon balm increases levels of GABA in the brain, the calming neurotransmitter that quiets overactive thoughts. When combined with magnesium, which relaxes tense muscles and steadies your nervous system, the effect is even stronger. Magnesium also helps prevent nighttime leg cramps that can wake you up suddenly. To make this, brew a cup of lemon balm tea and stir in 200 milligrams of magnesium glycinate powder. This gentle form of magnesium is easy to absorb and less likely to upset your stomach. Taken together, they create a soothing wave of calm that helps you stay asleep through the night. Drink 5. Collagen and ashwagandha latte. The fifth and most powerful drink is a collagen and ashwagandha latte. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, and after 60, your natural collagen production drops. Low collagen doesn't just affect your skin, it weakens your muscles, joints, and even the quality of your sleep. Supplementing with collagen before bed provides your body with glycine and proline, amino acids that improve sleep quality and rebuild muscle overnight. Ashwagandha, on the other hand, is an adaptogenic herb shown in studies to lower cortisol, the stress hormone that often keeps older adults awake at night. Together, they not only promote deep sleep but also help you wake up with stronger muscles, steadier joints, and a calmer mind. To make it, mix 1 scoop of collagen powder and half a teaspoon of ashwagandha into a cup of warm milk or almond milk. Add a dash of cinnamon if you'd like. This drink works on multiple levels, reducing stress, boosting recovery, and enhancing your body's ability to sleep deeply. Now imagine replacing your plain glass of water with one of these 5 bedtime drinks. Each one is designed to help people over 60 not only fall asleep faster, but also stay asleep, recover better, and wake up refreshed. So tonight, instead of water, try one of these. Start with the one that feels easiest for you and notice the difference in the morning. Better sleep means a clearer mind, stronger steps, and a brighter day ahead. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with a friend who also struggles with sleep, and subscribe for more science-based senior health tips to keep you active, sharp, and independent. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.